Hello everyone. Today our topic is based on the type of transformation in Informatica Power Center. So there are four types of transformation in Informatica Power Center that are active transformation, passive, connected and unconnected. So let's have a look each of the type of transformation one by one. Number one is active transformation. So basically what is active transformation and how it can be used in Informatica Power Center. Active transformation is actually a transformation in which the number of rows before that transformation stage and after that transformation stage are different. For example, if we have a look in this picture, if we if this is the active transformation, then the number of rows in the source stage or the before stage of this transformation is different are different than the target transformation, this one. So this is called the active transformation. Here we have a list of active transformation in Informatica Power Center that are source qualifier transformation, sorter transformation, aggregator, filter, union, joiner, and a lot of these. So have a look one example here for rank transformation, how the rank transformation is active transformation and how it will not it will differ the number of rows before the transformation stage and after the transformation stage. Have a look at this picture of the active transformation of rank stage. In rank transformation, if we have a scenario in which we are required to get the top three salary based employees department wise, then if we have a record of 100 rows and we want top three highest salary employees department wise, then uh, in a common sense that it will change the number of rows. From 100 rows we'll get only 3 rows of highest salary employees. So we this is the kind of active transformation. These are the two pictures in which we can change the properties to get the three highest salary employees department wise, in which in the picture on the left hand side, this one, in the properties tab we can change the top or down. If we get if we have a need to get the top highest salary employees, then we can change from there, and how many employees we need. In our case it is 3, so we can change the number here. And in the next picture we can add another port uh, to in order to apply the group by function. So in this way, we can get the top three highest salary employees department wise. And this is an example of the active transformation. And these are the type of transformation, and these are considered to be one of the most important interview questions in for the Informatica Power Center. So let's have a look to the other transformation, that is passive transformation. Sorry. In passive transformation, the number of rows before the stage of the passive transformation and after the stage of the passive transformation are same. It will not change. Here are the example of the passive transformation. Expression transformation, in which if we have a number of rows before the expression transformation. In expression transformation, there are no such kind of properties that we can change the number of rows. Yes, we can add port to the expression transformation, but originally it will not change the number of rows from the source. So this is example of the passive transformation. There are other passive transformation also, in which we have a lookup transformation, stored procedure, external procedure transformation, and others. So this is an example of the passive transformation I discussed few minutes ago. Expression transformation is a passive, as it is not involved in adding or subtracting number of rows. So this is the passive transformation. Another important type of transformation is connected transformation. Connected transformation is a type of transformation that is a that will be the part of the mapping flow. that will not be standalone like the unconnected transformation. Uh, in a simple overview, if we have a workflow in Informatica Power Center, if you have a mapping Informatica Power Center in which we have a source, and then we have a type of transformation and other transformations, and then a target, then this kind of scenario is actually a connected transformation. uh, in contrast, if we see the unconnected transformation, the unconnected transformation will not be connected with each other. That will be standalone and can be called by a function. So uh, this is example of the connected transformation, and it is a part of the mapping data flow. For and Where it can be used, the connected transformation, if we have a scenario in which data is frequently changes, then we should have a connected transformation rather than an unconnected transformation. Unconnected transformation, we can use unconnected transformation in a scenario if we know that the data will not be changed in a future frequently. So we have unconnected transformation separately, and we can call that unconnected transformation from other transformations like a function or like a stored procedure. So it is basically used in slowly changing dimension types. Like if we have a data like date data, and we are going to use that date data in other transformations, that date data will not be changed in future. So we can make that date data as an unconnected transformation, and we can call that date data in other transformation using a procedure call or like a function call. So these are the type of transformation that I discussed. In my next video, I'll share my other knowledge. So if you have any concerns or any suggestions, do comment, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.